Welcome all. This is our lecture 48, and in this lecture we will cover the topic paintbrush. What is the use of paintbrush? What is this software, and why do we use this particular software paintbrush? Basically, if I say by paintbrush we can draw images or we can edit a particular image, we can change the pixel size, we can change the resolution of a particular image by using paintbrush. If you want to add two images with each other, you can use paintbrush. Okay, so it's an important application that you should know about it. So let's start our today's topic, paintbrush. As I told you, paintbrush deal with the images. We can draw our own image by using the tools provided by this app. Okay, or we can open a particular image from our device and edit that particular according to our need. Basically, we we are curious to change the resolution, increase the resolution, or decrease the resolution of a particular image. As you will fill the forms for any government jobs and to upload anywhere in your scholarship, then there was a criteria that the image should be 4 by 4 or should be in 200 and 200 resolution size. So all these operations can be performed by using paintbrush. It's a free and open source tool to edit pictures and provided by Microsoft. Paintbrush is developed by Microsoft Corporation. It's a bitmap painting program and it have many painting tools. By using these tools we can create the pictures as we want. Now the basic question is that how can we start a particular paintbrush program. So first of all you have to click on the start button, click on programs and find them accessories, and in accessories you will find paint. Or nowadays, as window 10, window 11 is in your systems, window 8 as well, or even windows 7 as well, you can find write the name of paint, and by simply clicking enter you can open this important and widely used app in your devices. Now you can see the basic structure of a paintbrush program is on your screen. This is your working area where you will draw any image. We have menu bar with us and a toolbar with us. By using these tools we can edit or we can draw our own images as well. As we have seen in the previous slide that it provide a workspace where we will put and draw our desired pictures. and in the left or in the toolbar a toolbox is available. By using these tools we can draw, we can make our pictures easily. Namely, it have brush, line, eraser and other many other tools are available in the toolbox. So let's see and let's know about these toolbox. The first one is free from select. As if we want to add any text or want to cut a particular picture, then we will use select button. By using mouse and by holding the left key we can select the particular area of a particular image. Okay, and if we want to free select we will click on this particular. This is our eraser. If we have used any line, as we have put this line, then by eraser we can erase this particular. This tool is for picking the color. We can select the available color. This is the pencil. You can draw by using this. As I am drawing these alphabets and these pictures on the screen, this can be done by using this pencil. This is airbrush. It's a line to put a line, rectangle to insert a rectangle, ellipse to insert an ellipse, rounded shape rectangle to insert a rounded shape rectangle in the work area. We can insert polygon, we can insert curve as well. Okay, the most important, text. If we want to add a particular text with the image, sometimes you have seen, just clear this screen, sometimes you have seen that there is a picture with you and here some description about a particular picture with show, like I am giving the name Amit to this particular image. Your DOB can be shown here. Okay, so this area and this thing could be possible by using this particular text option. Okay, as you will click on a text, then a particular text box will open and you can start writing in this box. And the important thing to keep in our mind, we can adjust this particular box as per our need. Suppose we have to put this box with the particular image, then we can adjust the shape and size of the text or even the shape of this particular rectangle box by using some tools. Okay, we have brush. If we want to fill the color anywhere, we want to make a big impact on the screen, we can use brush. These are magnifiers. We can search, we can browse special things. Mostly used fill with color. As if you have created this particular slide, this particular shape, then you can fill these one by using fill color. As you will select this one, select the particular color from the color menu, and by pick color, by using pick color, and simply direct put it here, then the particular selected color will be filled in a selected image. So this was the toolbox provided in MS Paintbrush. So class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.